focus. And then I said, yo, how you doing? Welcome to one of my very first, one of many to come, gear/tech review videos for this channel. I'm gonna go back to my desk because this is kind of very awkward. I'm gonna film some, test stuff with the GoPro and then, let's see what happens. All right. So today, we'll be reviewing the Carbon Twist Mini. That's a good thumbnail. So I just wanted to say before we fully deep dive into this review, I reached out to the company POVGEAR if they actually had their carbon hex poles in stock 6 months ago. So they didn't have any in stock. I was kind of bummed out about that, but then a kind gentleman named Rob from the company, he reached out to me and asked me if I was interested in purchasing the Carbon Twist Mini and see if I would, wanted to test it out, maybe do a review, It kind of worked out beautifully because I was looking forward to getting one of POVGEAR's carbon hex poles because I knew that they were high quality. They told me that I was officially their very first customer for the Carbon Twist Mini, which is their new product. I think it's perfect because this is like one of my very first reviews and I've always wanted to start doing these kind of videos on YouTube. So I think it just worked out. So what's so great about this pole? Honestly, this doesn't really have like a crazy wow factor, but then, it's a pole. How much cooler can a pole get? That's pretty cool. I just love how strong this thing is. It's so satisfying. It's just so easy. Oh, you heard that? The grip is great, nice rubber material. There's a 1/4 thread on the bottom of the pole, so it's like perfect for attaching this to the tripod. If you're in the market for an action pole tripod, the BestableCam is a great choice. Solid. I have like 3 of these. I'm not sponsored by them. Just put a GoPro. You're good to go. This thing is so light. It is so light. You could just put this in like any old bag. This is the everyday version 2 bag from Peak Design. But look. In comparison, this is the Insta360 invisible selfie stick. This is an extended pole. This thing goes up to like 8 feet, I believe. Kind of looks the same. Like I said, great grip, ease of use. I just love how quick it is. Like this right here. Oh, this thing goes long. It's pretty high quality too. The disadvantage, height. This is almost 1 1/4 times taller, the invisible stick versus the Carbon Twist Mini. For sure. This right here. You saw that? You saw that? Oh. It's not as strong as the Carbon Twist Mini. I ain't bluffing. Very good design. This thing is a floppy mess, but it does go high. It's for specific uses. You can't hate on it. Everything has its purpose. That is solid. Just gotta turn this on. All right, now it's recording. So I attached the RX100 Mark 6. I would actually do this. But I don't want to. I'm actually selling this camera. Very nice. So you can use this for other cameras. So light. I can't get over the fact that this thing is so freaking light. It's just solid. It's just so easy. Can't get over it. It's just so easy. It's so easy.
That was easy.
recap. This pole sucks. This pole rocks. Great for travelers. Before I go, I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching this video. It really means a lot that you guys took the time to just... It's a freaking action pole review. Like, why would you watch it all the way through? It's kind of like an experimental video. I'm kind of figuring things out. So if this video kind of sucks, I'm sorry. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, smash that dislike button. Throw me a nasty comment in the comment section. And I don't know what else to say. Live your best life. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. And we're back. The sun is freaking dipping like crazy. Why didn't I do this earlier? Let's try this again. This is so much harder than I thought it would be. It's nuts. So today, I'll be reviewing the Carbon